we go, Shannon.
Making our way
Are you excited?
Making our way down.
Hey, if anybody's taking pictures,
So back up straight.
get some of her sent to her mom. Yeah. Because my phone. Yes.
What? Hello, Shannon. Look at me, Sam. Have fun. Bye.
No, he's a superstar, right?
Who is he?
Oh, that's Happy.
I haven't heard of
Happy,
him.
the DJ from Caleb.
Oh!
That's Happy.
I haven't heard him in a while, Allie.
Yeah, he was doing Saturday mornings. I think maybe he's just down to Saturday morning now. Although he's here, so maybe he's not.
Wing wing.
Huh.
What'd you say? Bug.
Yeah, there was a bee.
Ah. I wait for the wedding, Shannon.
It's too dark.
She's up there with her school.
So they go down North Florida, make a left, and then you don't make a right.
We're just going straight across to me.
Okay.
And then down.
Oh, there's some jumping on. Run in the hole.
Hey, Dad! Stop for a sec. Stop for a sec.
I'm gonna sit right here.
Okay.
Good move.
I want to be careful.
Oh! You want me to put it back here?
I gained a little bit
There
too
you
much
go.
weight. He's sitting on that thing like it. 25 pounds is over here.
Did you feel like
50's over here.
Did you feel the band will bounce on the
Yeah.
solidness? on
Timers?
that?
Yeah.
Yep.
Sure.
Ah, you silly girl. Okay, what's up? You're comfortable? You just sit back and relax. Sun's in your eyes. It's okay. You've got your hat on. You're good.
We're gonna. Sun won't be in your eyes once we turn down here.
Huh? You want to sit in the shade?
Here.
Oh.
Is that better? That's an old car, huh?
Put some lock on that.
Yeah, and I just sprayed some more on her arm. I caked her twice all over her face and her neck. She's exhausted though. I don't think she got into
Stay up all
bed.
night.
Well,
She told me that was the first question she asked me. Did you get a good night's sleep? And I said, yeah. And I said, did you? And she said, yeah.
they didn't get home from church last night, probably till about 10 o'clock.
Wow.
Because her mom drove the van last night. And took all the kids and dropped them back off and brought the van back.
You like old cars?
I love them.
There's a bug? Oh, there is something there. It's not a bug, though. We got a little bit of grease or paint or something. There's a bug down there. It's okay. It's okay. Yeah, you got sunscreen up there.
Huh? Well, we have to ask your mom first before.
Oh, face paint? Is that
Yeah.
what
Uh-oh, Shannon.
you say? Oh, wait. Stop.
yes,
So,
Sam.
Sam, you're only going to throw to people on that side, okay?
Those kids, those kids over there, they already got a whole bunch of candy. Did you see that? They got a whole bunch. They're cool or someone to us. Okay, then. Weird, but okay. Wham, wham, wham. Bam, 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 bam.
Sam got some kids up on the corner here that might want some candy.
Yeah.
Coming up right here. I'll show you how to do it, Sam.
I know how to do it.
You gotta throw it now.
Hurry up, listen. I want you to get like 2, and then you got to throw them really far. Okay?
2 or 3.
That's my shit.
Watch out out.
Oh, there's Hadley and Becca. You guys. Gotta throw it really far, Sam. Really far, Sam. Go. Throw it hard. Woo! There you go.
You sound like you're having fun.
Yeah, we are.
Sorry, I left you.
Oh no, poor
What's up,
Smarty.
Big Daddy? What's up, man?
Hi.
Say your name.
What's up?
Stop. You might want to-
Hey there, how are you? Here, Sam.
Get 2 lollipops, Sam. That was your friend?
Oh, wow.
We'd love for you to come.
All right, Sam.
Yeah, start.
Really far, really far. There you go.
Nice, Sam.